Upon receiving the goods, open the package and check if all the accessories are complete. Rub the gas three-way valve with the sealing tape 8 to 12 times. Install the ball valves. Use a wrench to secure the ball valves and position the ball valve handles upwards. Install the other side in the same manner. Rub the pressure gauge with sealing tape approximately 8 to 12 times. Then, install the pressure gauge at the central connection point of the gas three-way valve. Tighten and secure it using a wrench in the same way. Connect the high-pressure hose to the top connection of the gas three-way valve, placing the white flat washer in between. Tighten and secure it using a wrench. Next, connect the high-pressure hose, reaping the two high-pressure hoses with sealing tape approximately 8 to 12 times. Connect the two high-pressure hoses to the ball valves, respectively. Use a wrench to tighten and secure all connections. The appearance after the accessories are properly connected. Connect the other end of one high-pressure connection pipe to the ignition system air inlet of the nozzle, placing the gasket set in between. Tighten and secure it using a wrench. Connect the other high-pressure connection pipe to the flame inlet of the nozzle, using the gasket set in between. Tighten and secure it using a wrench. Connect the high-pressure hose to the on-site gas supply source and tighten it securely with a wrench on the hose. Select the appropriate pipe connector for this end based on the on-site gas supply source.